This is in line with our various constitutional responsibilities. There has also been several interagency collaborations and harmonizations of these strategies. The meeting we have just had involved the head of these agencies to ensure we further harmonize and strategize to provide adequate security for the smooth conduct of the general elections. In 2 days' time, the 2019 general election will begin. The Nigerian government, the people of Nigeria as well as international community are all desirous of a free, fair, transparent, credible, and most importantly, violence-free election. Mr. President, Commander-in-Chief has also told us in clear terms in our meeting with him of his commitment to free, fair, and credible elections. I wish to say that the armed forces of Nigeria, as well as other security and intelligence agencies, are also committed to a violence-free election, and that all Nigerians eligible to vote are to carry out their civic responsibility and vote for candidates of their choice without any fear of molestation by any person or group. We are not unaware of plans to illegally use uniforms of military, paramilitary agencies to impersonate security and law enforcement agencies, illegal possession of and use of firearms to intimidate and harass members of the public, and other acts likely to cause security breaches. Let me warn that the armed forces of Nigeria and other security agencies will not tolerate any act that is likely to cause security breaches before, during, and after the elections, and we deal decisively with this act irrespective of those involved. Members of the public are also advised to disregard the call to stay at home on the day of election being circulated in some parts of the country. The stay at home leaflet being circulated and similar online messages are part of the handwork of mischief makers who are bent on scuttling the process and should be ignored. I want to assure the general public that the security services are prepared to support the police to ensure safe conduct of the elections. It is important to reiterate that law enforcement agencies will remain apolitical. Besides, Code of Conduct for the Armed Forces of Nigeria for the 2019 general election have been issued to the services and security personnel that will be deployed for election security duties. All other personnel who are not so deployed for the election security duties have been directed to stay clear of elections apart from exercising their rights to vote for candidates of their choice. I would also like to appeal to all Nigerians to adhere strictly to the restriction on movement during the period of election. Violators of the restriction on movement, no matter how highly placed, will be arrested and detained. However, this restriction does not apply to those on election security duties, local and international observers, monitors, and emergency and security services personnel on authorized duty only. Finally, I wish to assure all peace-loving members of the public of the preparedness of the armed forces of Nigeria and other security agencies to support a peaceful 2019 general election, and to encourage all to go about their legitimate activities without fear of intimidation. I also want to encourage us all to promptly report all suspicious activities to the law enforcement agencies. Thank you all, and God bless you.